Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tejaswi, Consultant Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeon, Krishna Dental Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today I am going to speak briefly about wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth, which are also called as third molars, are the last set of molars to erupt in the oral cavity. They are present in the most posterior region of the jaw bones. We have 4 wisdom teeth. 2 are present in the upper jaw, 2 are present in the lower jaw. Excluding the wisdom teeth, the other set of permanent teeth, eruption finishes by 15 years of the age at the max. Whereas these wisdom tooth tends to erupt in the late teens or early 20s mostly. By that time, the jaw growth of the individual completes. So sometimes these wisdom tooth get stuck in the jawbone, failing to erupt normally. The patient visits the clinic complaining of pain, discomfort, swelling over the jaw, or sometimes even reduced mouth opening. The dentist initially checks the patient clinically and if required goes for further radiographic investigations. After thorough checkup, the problems associated with the wisdom teeth are dental caries, food lodgement around the wisdom teeth, gum inflammation around the wisdom teeth, and also abnormal eruption patterns of the wisdom teeth. Also, in advanced cases, the wisdom teeth are associated with cysts and the jaws. Now, the abnormal eruption patterns of the wisdom teeth varies. The abnormal eruption pattern of the upper wisdom tooth includes when there is lack of space in the upper jaw, wisdom tooth tends to move more towards the cheek, creating pain and discomfort in the cheek and also reduction in the mouth opening. Coming to the abnormal eruption pattern of the lower wisdom teeth, when there is lack of space in the lower jaw, the wisdom tooth erupts in the angular fashion, horizontal fashion, or placed more towards the lingual side, that is towards the tongue, placed more towards the buccal side, that is towards the cheek. In such condition, we advise the patient to go for removal of the wisdom teeth. Now many patients question why only removal. The wisdom teeth most of the times doesn't serve any function, and also they get missed while brushing, creating repeated discomfort to the patient. Now coming to the procedure of the wisdom teeth, it's a normal chairside procedure which takes around 30 to 45 minutes and it is done under local anesthesia. After the procedure, the patient will have mild post-surgical pain, swelling and discomfort which will last for 5 to 7 days. The patient is put on medication and also given post-surgical instruction which has to be followed for 24 to 48 hours. For further assistance, kindly contact Krishna Dental Hospitals, Hyderabad. Thank you.